Citibank Group Philippines, where he is responsible for leading and mentoring aspiring traders. Today, John will be sharing his insights and effective forex trading. He will discuss the key factors that contribute to success in the market, as well as the common pitfalls that traders should avoid. I am confident that you will find John's presentation to be both informative and engaging. Please join me in welcoming Coach John. Coach John, welcome po.
Kailan yun?
Yun. So good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Mga gutom na ba? Ayan. So may snacks tayo mamaya. Okay, so... Ayan. So sino po dito yung mga first-timers? First-timers sa forex trading, sa investment, sa pagtitrade. Okay, so madami din. Halos kalahati.